Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ajit Kumar. I am an online business expert. I done many online businesses and earn more money. But when compared to everything, Amazon and KDP is the better and the best and easy profitable to earn more money through online. So before proceeding to how to do business with Amazon KDP, I want to show you the earnings proof which I got from Amazon KDP. So let's go through it and see my future videos also to know how to deal with Amazon KDP business. So let's see. This is the homepage of Amazon KDP. This KDP homepage is divided into four categories. First one is bookshelf and second one is reports and third one is community and last one is KDP seller. To know more about our earnings, we can go through reports. So let's go through it. This is how our reports page will be seen. Here units ordered means 1 unit is equal to 1 week. For example, on 5th July 2020, nearly 22 books were be sold. Here we can see it. Today is 9th. At the time 3:57 p.m. Up to now 3 books were sold. And then another category is KENP. Here we can see number of pages read by the readers. Means this is total number of books and this is the total number of pages. These two are different. Book means it can deliver to home or it can deliver to email or so on. Pages means it can be read only through app, which is Kindle Direct app, which is Kindle Lite who reads by apps and cell phones, computers, laptops and etc. So we will get earnings by these two. And then we can see here the royalties earned in different marketplaces. Types of marketplaces like Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, Denmark, France, Italy, Netherlands, Japan, India and Canada, Brazil, Mexico and Australia. We can see here our total earnings in that particular marketplaces. We didn't enter till now in Denmark, France, Italy, Netherlands, Japan and Mexico because the language is different from English. So we are not concentrated up to now in this type of marketplaces. So we can see here these two types of categories. Books are of two types. One is ebook and another is paperback. Ebook is we can read by apps and paper book is the book will be delivered through home. So we can see here the list of the earnings. Now I want to show you the particular month earnings. Means on July for these 9 days I will show how I earned these 9 days. How much I earned these 9 days. Report we can go through this. Try the new KDP reports beta. By clicking on this we can get the full data. How many books and how many pages we up to now completed we can see here in this dashboard. So this is today is July 9, 2020, evening 4 o'clock. And today earning up to 4 o'clock is $10.09. 3 books were saved and 48 pages are read by the readers. Okay. To know more about the orders we can click here. This report will be generated for every month. So from July 1 to 9, totally 49 books were saved from my account. And KNP read means number of pages read by the readers is from July 1 to 9 pages read is 2957. We can see this complete report daily. In this direct Kindle will publish it. It is a software which shows us the daily earning report at time to time. This is the royalty estimator. This estimator will tell us how much we earned till now. So from July 1 to 10 means actually it is 9. Today is 9th day, but as per the software it will be advanced for 1 day. 9th till now I earned $64.04 from different marketplaces. And we can see the last month earnings also by clicking on last month. Last month I earned $12.87 from June 1 to 30. This is how we can see our daily earnings through this Amazon KDP path. This is how we can see our earnings through Amazon KDP. Right? You can see here. And these payments also we can see how many payments we got. And again another check was came from Amazon.co.uk of 170.47 Great British Pounds. This is a sales code. You can see how much we earn through all marketplaces. For example, by Amazon.com, how much we earn. Daily reports will be available here. I can show you the previous month earnings also. July 1 30 from all marketplaces. Previous month I earned $104.26 from Amazon.com and 29.43 Great British Pounds and 4,092.94 rupees from Amazon.in and $7.56 from Australia. This one till now, this 9 days, nearly $64.99. I will show you that details also. You can see our daily report, detailed report about this 9 days. I earned $20.97 from Amazon.com and 5.55 Great British Pounds from Amazon.co.uk. And if by India, I earned 1,338.53 rupees. And in Canada, I earned 13.94 Canada dollars. And Brazil currency, I earned 17.40. In this 9 days, up to this 9 days only. By completion of this month, I can earn nearly 250 as per my estimation. So this is how we can run the business through Amazon KDP. So don't miss this chance. Join with me and earn more money as you want.